So if we're going to store a chainsaw for any number of months, then there's two main things that I do. Firstly, I drain the fuel. And now that it's nice and empty inside there, I'll put the cap back on.
I now start and run the chainsaw until it bogs down and stops, so there's no fuel inside the carburettor whatsoever. Doing this means that we've drained most, if not all, of the fuel out of the carburettor and the fuel line so that it won't go stale over the months that it's stored. Because stale fuel is undoubtedly one of the main reasons we can't start machines when we come to need them again. And the other thing I would check on here before I stored it was the chain. I would want to make sure that it's well lubricated. This is lubricated because I've just started the engine, I've just started the machine, and it's got the chain oil on there. But if it's not got any lubrication, it will go rusty over time. I realise this is very basic information for some, but it's surprising how many people don't know this information and then they run into problems when they restart the machine after so many months of storage, and this could save them money at a repair centre. And I know personally that it can be quite expensive to have this kind of issue sorted at a repair centre, because the carburettor usually has to be stripped down and all the stale fuel removed, and the fuel pipes have to be cleaned out, and often a new fuel filter. So it's not a quick, easy and simple job. So a little bit of prevention like this will save you quite a lot of money. So in closing, I hope those simple tips will save you some money and you'll benefit in the future with them. Thank you for watching.